Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com. Our project title is Automatic Test Case Generation from Software Specifications. Let's see the abstract. The test case generation from the design specification is an important work in testing phase. In this project, we use UML activity diagrams, class diagrams, sequence diagrams, and use case diagrams as design specification and present an automatic test generating approach. The approach first randomly generate the diagram in design phase in software development process. Then by the expressing the data into the prescribed data format into a specific storage data implementation, work will further process the input data. The developing will take input as expert data. The approach can also be used to check the consistency between the program execution trace and behavior of UML activity diagrams. Test driven design TDD and design driven test are used for the test cases generating. TDD generates so many duplicated test cases at the end of the project. Let's see the explanation. UML is a common language for business analysis software architecture and develops used to describe the specific design and document extracting our new business process structure and behavior of artifact of software systems. The primary developed for these design phases are design specifications for both the system and test cases for validating the system functionality and performance. Investigations of the feasibility of future and test are typically part of design process involving in the initial development. In the case of validation design, the test plan defines the testing necessary to establish the query for the system. If the system is passes all the tests in the test plane, then is declared to be completed. If the system does pass all the tests, then is considered to be high quality. Let's see the data flow diagram. First we start our process, then go to the open UML and then open the UML software, then drawing work, then go to UML diagram drawing work. Then the another state is Excel data converted into the future works. Then we go to the diagram inclusion. When adding the diagrams, then go to the parsing data. When you parsing data, then go to the update into the when the parsing data is updated into the database, then go to the NLP work. Then go to the possible test cases when we test our process. Let's see the demo of our project. First we start our process, run home Java, and then this is the home page. Is automatic test case generation from UML diagrams. First we click the open VBB UML software, then click class. Let's see the class diagram, and we have the string values and row number and cell number. Then right side is a UML diagram, it's an activity diagram, it's an ATM process. Then click the use case, then the string values documentation, then cell numbers and the string values. Then see the active use case diagram. Let's ATM control and the customer. Let's explain the ATM control and the customer relationship. Then click the activity diagram. Let's see the activity diagram is a string values and the documents and the cell numbers and the row number. Let's explain the ATM. Let's see the ATM control and the customer relations. Then click the sequence diagram, and it is also explain the string value ID and the cell number. And let's explain the ATM and the ATM card and the customer. Let when ATM verification, ATM is customer send the verification to the ATM card, then the cash card given the automatic network and withdrawal money. Then go to the click home page, then go to the use case diagram and click the gathering and then click the data gathering to gather the data. Is a cache given and the authentication, item verification and the scanning and entering and actions performed in the update. To update the values in the database, then click OK and go to the next. Generate the test case ID and database updates successfully. And then click the ascending test cases, then go to the home and go to the class diagram, then click the get data and the data gathering from the dataset, then click update the text file. When the data is updated and converted into the text file, then it's stored in the database and your values are updated into the text, then click OK. Let me see the attributes and the operations of class data, then click next, then go to the possible of test cases of UML diagrams, then click the generate the test case ID. It's completed. Ascending test case, then view the ascending test case values, then go to the home page, then go to the sequence diagram. Let's see the sequence diagram reading and updating. It's the initial and the messages, then click the data gathering, when the data gathering into the text box, insulator. Let's see the insulator and the customer and the ATM card and the ATM. When see the messages on the ATM verification, cash price given, authentication work and the withdrawal money. Values are updated into the text. When values are converted into text, then it's stored in the data set. Then click OK, then go to the next button, gathering that, then click the gathering the test case ID and click the ascending class, then go to the home, then go to the activity diagram and click the data gathering and data gathered from the data set, then update the value. The values are updated into the text, then go to the next button and then generating the let's see the generating the test case diagram ID and assigning the test case, then view the assign the test case detail and go to the home. The process is finished. Thank you for listening.